You have an older laptop or an older desktop. You want to practice basic C programming. You also want to try Windows GUI programming. You need to install Windows C Compiler. Windows C Compiler comes under Visual Studio. These require several GBs of space on your hard drive, and it requires CPU speed to run the editors. This is not possible on older systems. How to install Microsoft C Compiler on older laptops, desktops? We have a solution for you. Wait and watch till the end. Visual Studio Community Edition. It is free for personal use. Visual Studio Express is the earlier name of Visual Studio Community. We have Visual Studio Express 2005 or 2003 or 2008. These are lightweight versions and take a few megabytes of space. They run smoothly on Pentium or Core 2 Duo with few GBs of RAMs. Let's start the download. Search on the internet. Since they are old, they are not available on main website. Download the ISO from the archive website. Mount the ISO and start the setup. Click or select Visual C++. Accept the license. Uncheck additional installation options. MSDN library is a help library for your development. Good for offline usage. This is optional and takes spaces. Select the folder. All done. Open Visual Studio ID. Create a project name. Write the main file. Add the main Windows header file. WinMain is the main function in Windows program. Let's write the WinMain function. Add the message box. It takes the top window handle. It can be null. Next is the message caption, the message on title window, then the message icon and button type. Now it is complete. Let's compile and build the project. Let's run. Bingo! We got the output. Hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.